Let's dive right into it. Have you ever wondered what the largest creature on Earth might be? Most of us instantly think of the blue whale, that ocean giant. And it's no wonder. At 30 meters long and weighing over 180 tons, a blue whale is a mammoth presence that makes nearly every other living thing seem tiny. But the biggest living organism on the planet is not what you'd expect. In fact, it's hidden right beneath our feet. That's right. Under the forest floor of Malheur in Oregon, USA, there's a colossal being sprawling across an area that could fit over 1,220 football fields. We're talking about the Armillaria ostoyae, or more commonly known as the honey fungus, a massive underground parasite stretching across 3.8 kilometers. Discovered in 1996, this giant keeps growing year after year. It's quite fascinating, isn't it? And by the way, if you're intrigued, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can keep uncovering mysteries like this one with us. This fungus is way more than it seems. While other fungi survive on dead matter, the Armillaria goes further. It penetrates live tree roots, feeding on nutrients from one tree after another, until nothing remains. Imagine a silent predator lurking beneath the soil, stealthily destroying everything in its path, while giving no hint on the surface. Armillaria is a true master of disguise. Above ground, you'll see nothing but small mushrooms sprouting once a year, which look quite ordinary. But beneath them lies an incredible underground network, covering about 880 hectares, almost 9 square kilometers. Can you believe it? If you're as amazed as I am, drop a like, because there's a lot more to explore. Now that we're stepping into the fascinating mysteries of nature, welcome to Unknown World, the channel where we unravel the most captivating and mysterious aspects of our planet. Today, get ready for a journey from underground to the oceans, where we'll dive into giant creatures and surprising discoveries about the largest living beings on Earth. And remember, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any incredible content like this one. Ready? Let's keep going. What makes this fungus even more fascinating is that it weighs about 600 tons, making it the largest living organism on Earth by mass. It grows without limit and, over time, spreads its reach by connecting with more and more roots. Its roots form a complex network that destroys and replaces flora wherever it goes. If you were to walk above ground, you wouldn't see anything visible, but the impact beneath is devastating. Scientists have the challenging task of studying and even attempting to control its growth. After all, it's so resilient that nature itself struggles to undo the damage it causes. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is 100% real. Who would have thought that beneath our feet, this colossal being has been growing for thousands of years? While Armillaria reigns underground, other giants rule the oceans. Speaking of giants, let's talk about the ocean colossus, the blue whale. This mammal is the largest animal we know of today, reaching an astounding 30 meters in length and weighing up to 180 tons. These majestic creatures once roamed every ocean, but due to hunting, they were forced to hide and survive in more restricted areas. Today, it's estimated that only around 12,000 blue whales are left worldwide, which is a real cause for concern. They're protected by strict laws that ban hunting, but they still face many challenges, including pollution and climate change. Picture an animal so massive that when it opens its mouth to feed, it can take in a volume of water and plankton greater than an Olympic-sized swimming pool. This is a being that inspires awe, but also reminds us just how fragile nature is and how much it needs our protection. If you, too, want to see these giants swimming freely, hit the subscribe button and help us spread this knowledge. And if you thought blue whales were impressive, wait until you meet the Linnaeus longissimus, a marine worm that can reach up to 60 meters in length. Yes, you heard that right. While it doesn't weigh as much as the whale, it holds the record for the longest animal. It's hard for most of us to picture something that long. But imagine a snake stretching up a 20-story building. This creature lives in the sea, and although it doesn't look as impressive as a whale, it's yet another testament to nature's incredible diversity. Scientists study it as a curiosity, because very few animals can rival that length. And of course, when we talk about extreme sizes, the legends of giant anacondas and other massive snakes tend to pop up. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll discover an even bigger competitor. Besides these, other creatures defy our understanding of size. One of them is the siphonophore, an organism similar to a jellyfish, but actually a colony of small organisms working together. Each one of these organisms contributes to a body that can be over 50 meters long. They're found in the ocean depths, where light barely reaches, and they're so delicate that a single touch can disintegrate them. Still, together, they form one of the largest organisms on the planet. The idea that something so fragile and complex can achieve such immense size makes us ponder the mysteries still lurking in the ocean. And no matter how much technology advances, we're still far from fully understanding the ocean's secrets. And if you think only the sea's house giants, think about the past. During the height of the dinosaur era, enormous animals roamed the earth. One such creature is the Patagotitan, a dinosaur that could reach 37 meters in length and, when it raised its neck, nearly 20 meters in height. It was discovered in Patagonia in 2012, and since then, scientists have been working hard to understand how these titans moved and managed to survive in an environment demanding so much food. Just considering something like this once lived here on Earth makes us realize how drastically our planet has changed. And the fossils found suggest there could have been one even larger, the Alamosaurus, found in the United States, which may have been up to 60 meters long. So here's a question. Could these creatures ever return? Nature always has a way of surprising us. As for today's giants, we also have the saltwater crocodile, the largest living reptile, reaching up to 7 meters. Then there's the ostrich, which stands up to 3 meters tall, dominating the world of birds. And among fish, the whale shark reigns supreme, reaching 13 meters. Each one of these creatures shows us how life adapts to thrive in different environments, whether it's the deep sea, dense forests, or scorching deserts. As you can see, size varies greatly, but each plays a vital role in its ecosystem. Earth is truly an extraordinary place, full of wonders we're only beginning to grasp. And that's exactly why Unknown World is here, to show you a bit more about the most incredible things this planet has to offer. So, if you love discovering amazing creatures and learning about the planet's biggest secrets, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. You're helping us keep the channel going, and you'll make sure you won't miss out on fascinating content like this. And don't forget to share with your friends. The more people who know about Unknown World, the more we can explore Earth's beauty and mysteries together. Until next time, thanks for watching.